Hello, this is a recording for Tuesday, January 27th. Today's practice is titled Full Body Tension Release. You can do this practice at any time, but it's really great to do it right before you go to sleep. But first we'll try it out. Get as comfortable and supported as possible so that there is no need for your body to do anything. And begin by focusing attention on your feet. All of your attention on your feet. Allow your feet to soften, ease, relax. Now focus all your attention on your calves. Allow your calves to soften, ease, relax. Now your thighs. Soften, ease, relax. Hips. Soften, ease, relax. Your whole back. Softening, relax. Hands and arms. Relax. Shoulders. Relax. Neck relaxing. Jaw and tongue. Eyes, forehead, scalp. Now diving a little deeper inside the body. Relax your stomach, your heart, lungs, brain, your whole body. Soft, relaxed, at ease. Stay here for a little while, enjoying this relaxation. I'll be quiet for a bit. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice, and especially see if it helps you fall asleep and perhaps stay asleep better. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.